Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 50 Brittany Circle in Brighton. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. This is an amazing property nearby everything Brighton has to offer. So let's take a tour. This stunning home welcomes your family and friends. With a soaring two-story cathedral ceiling great room with beautiful curved windows and hardwood floors. Just off the dining area of the great room is the designer eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, and deck access with beautiful nature views. This first floor master suite has it all, with a walk-in closet, beautiful bathroom, and a spacious bedroom with private nature views. This second floor features an office or living area overlooking the great room, plus two spacious bedrooms and bath. Plus the lower level has additional living space and an office or activity room. This is fantastic. This entertainment-sized deck has beautiful nature views. Be at one with nature with this expansive backyard. Brittany Circle is a neighborhood of fine homes close to the 12 corners of Brighton and the University of Rochester. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 50 Brittany Circle in Brighton. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.